So today I'm going to teach you how to import Spotify music into iTunes. You just need to go to this website. I'll put the link down in the description and download the installer. So once that's finished, just run the installer. And then once it's finished, just go into Spotify and then download any song you want. So just click on the three dots, hit share, and then hit copy song link. And then just paste it into here and hit enter. And this will download YouTube videos and music from SoundCloud. So if Spotify isn't working, then you can download it off there too. So once that's finished, you can just close out of this and see if it downloaded correctly. By default, it will download in music. So here it is right here. To get the album artwork, you just go into properties.
Why?
Go to details and make sure that you have the title, album, the track number, and the year, and the artist, all the same as it is in the iTunes store. So if you have everything the same, then that's how you get the album artwork. So to import it into iTunes, just go to File, then Add File to Library. Then just select your MP3 file and hit Open. And then it should right there, see, it says that it has imported correctly. So if we play it, so it is just like the regular Spotify version. So to get it on your phone, then you just need to connect your phone to the computer with a lightning cable, and then you see that a little icon will come up right here. So to import it to your phone, just click that right there, go to music, and then check this sync music right here, and then hit selected playlists, artists, albums, and genres. So then just check the stuff that you need, and then under backups, just back up the iCloud so it's only the most important data on your phone, so it won't take as long. And then just hit apply. So once that's finished, just hit done. So if everything worked correctly, if we go into iTunes, then Unity has showed up. So that is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to know how to install macOS Mojave on your PC, then I'll put the link down in the description. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.